Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to purchase CJs using the Keybase wallet. So the first thing you'll need to make sure you have are lumens to spend for the CJs in your wallet. As you can see, I have about 7 lumens here. And you also need to make sure you have the trust line set up for CJs inside of your Keybase app. And if you don't have either one of those, feel free to post in Coinda on Facebook and we can help you get set up. You can also go to our YouTube channel and we should have videos on there on how to set up the trust line and how to get XLM either from Coinbase or Changely on there as well. But once you have these two things set up, you are ready to go. So in order to buy CJs on the marketplace, you're basically going to be sending CJs to yourself. Sounds a little weird, but it's really, really simple. So the first thing you're going to do is click on send on the wallet. And just in case you don't know how to get here, you click the hamburger icon. It's literally a hamburger at the very bottom right. And you click on wallet, which is the fourth from the top. And you should be in your wallet. So to buy CJs to start, you click on send and then click to a Keybase user. And then at the top, it'll say search Keybase. And when you go there, your name should be the first one that pops up. But if it's not, you can just search your name and just make sure you click on yourself. If everything goes well and you have the trust line set up, you'll see this other banner pop up that says this person accepts assets other than XLM and send other assets. We're going to click that send other assets link. And then at the very top of this screen, this is finally where we're going to buy the CJs. So it'll say your username will receive, pick an asset. And the asset we want to receive, if we click that drop down, are the CJs. And then at the bottom, we will send approximately which asset. We're going to send lumens. So what this is going to do is it's going to deduct XLM from our account and it's going to add CJs, which is pretty much a purchase, right? So let's say I just wanted to buy half a CJ. I can click calculate and it'll tell me how many lumens the transaction is going to cost as well as the current price of the CJs. So I'm just going to buy one in this example. And you'll click calculate. It'll tell you everything you need to know, if you have enough XLM and everything, and then you just click send when you're ready to go. So now the transaction is pending, it's waiting for confirmation, and once it confirms, our CJs goes up just like that to 3, and our XLM balance goes down by however much the CJ was. And that's it, you just purchased CJs. That's how easy it is to do it on Keybase. Again, if you have any questions on Keybase or blockchain or CJs or anything related to cryptocurrency, please feel free to post a question in the Coinda Facebook group and we'll be happy to help you. Thanks.